these niggas wanna know what it tastes like. What it tastes like, yo, what it tastes like, yo. They wanna know what it tastes like, yo. All this ice, it just tastes like snow. Get kimonos and let's fly to Tokyo. Pretty, pretty, please, baby, won't you have this for me?
Baby, could you? I got too much on my mind right now. I ain't got the time to get you set.
Hey YouTube, Banartey here. Today I'm back again with another YouTube video. Period. Today will be a hair video. Like y'all can tell, I recently just did my hair. I actually just finished it a couple of days ago. So in this video, I'll just be giving y'all the rundown on how I did this hairstyle. So yeah, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, hit the subscribe button down below if you're new here, and hit that notification bell to be notified every time I upload. I post every Monday and Friday during quarantine period, and you don't want to miss it. So yeah, let's get into it. Okay, y'all, so I went ahead and already braided this side of my hair. In order to do like the butterfly locks, like you have to have your hair braided in section because you're like gonna crochet it and then like put it on. Y'all know what it is. But I already went ahead and started braiding last night actually, and right now I'm just going to finish the braiding on this side of my hair. So hopefully you guys enjoy, and yeah, let's get into it. Today I'm going to be using this hair for my butterfly locks. So this is how the hair looks. Pretty long, and it has some blondish like color to it. So yeah. Alright, so I took 2 strands of the hair and then I just fluffed them out like so, and then I'm going in with my crochet needle and I'm gonna open that up, take my braid, put the needle through, take the hair, try to put this on the needle, then close it, and poke through. And you only need one side. Alright, so once I've pulled through and I have one side through, I'm gonna go in and start twisting at my root. And you wanna do this like very tightly. Make sure everything is secure. Alright, so I look a mess. I know I look a mess, but I already did a few already. They look messy, but like they're supposed to look like that, so yeah. So I've almost finished half of my head, period. This house it's not looking too bad for my first time. It's not looking too bad. So I'm finna go ahead and finish this half of my hair and then go eat something and then probably come back to y'all. Not sure. But yeah, I'll be back.
Who you a vote for this?
Oh Lord, Jesse made another one. Back in the mill, it's gone. Shit like I smell cologne. Yeah, just on the deal, I'm on. Yeah. I go where I want, good. Play if you want, let's do it. I'm a young CEO, for sure. Yeah. The first nigga play on my body, a nigga. I just check my balance, I probably pull up to your hood and come buy me a nigga. No cap. You know that your hoe told you that nigga crazy. Don't think that she lied to you, nigga. You talk with your hoe when I'm popping, both now they hot just like Bobby and Whitney. Say I'm the GOAT, act like I don't know, but fuck it, I'm obviously winning. Don't make me go hit the bank and take out 100 to show you our pockets are different. I'm out with your bitch and I only want knowledge, she got a little mileage for chillin'. You disrespect me and I beat your ass up all in front of your partners and children. I'm the type that nigga think that I'm broke until I pop out with $1 million. Take 20K and put that on your head to make one of your partners can kill you. Say he fucking with me, then he gotta grow up, cause this nigga gotta be killed. This shit can't fit in my pocket, I got like I hit the lottery. I slap the shit out of nigga, no talking, I don't like to argue. I still ain't gonna be no more laughing, you see me with back, cause I'm gonna be the shop here, nigga, no cap. I don't follow no bitches on IG, but all of your bitches, they following me. And that little nigga ain't gonna shoot shit with that gun, he just pull it out in this picture, bitch. Back in the mill, it's gone. Shit like I smell cologne. Yeah, I'm just on the deal, I'm on. Yeah. I go where I want, good. Play if you want, let's do it. I'm a young CEO, sure. Yeah. Back in the mill, it's gone. Shit like I smell cologne. Yeah, I'm just on the deal, I'm on. Yeah. I go where I want, good. Play if you want, let's do it. I'm a young CEO, sure. Yeah. Talking about shit, I'ma pop it. Got like 32,000 in one of my pockets. The other one, that's what the Glock is. You little nigga wanna be in that game, man. Tell all these little niggas stop it. I be the Burbian nigga in front of the store with your family and grandmama shopping. Big shit on a whole nother wave on these niggas. Let's see one of these little niggas top that. I'll turn a nigga into a convertible. Push me a little nigga top back. Her woman be hating and calling the groupie just cause she like I'm a music. She sent me a text to delete the message. She tryna find out it's confused. I don't know. These niggas thinking about use the brain on your head till you lose. I pull up at the school and I teach you some shit. Tell you, bro, I'm a motherfucker too. Remember, I used to cheat off a pretty bitch too. All the teachers, they thought I was stupid. Was expecting the box to pull up on the truck, man, instead of pull up on the school. Back in the mill, it's gone. Shit like I smell cologne. Yeah, I'm just on the deal, I'm on. Yeah. I go where I want, good. Play if you want, let's do it. I'm a young CEO, sure. Yeah. Back in the mill, it's gone. Shit like I smell cologne. Yeah, I'm just on the deal, I'm on. Yeah. I go where I want, good. Play if you want, let's do it. I'm a young CEO, sure. Yeah.
That girl, she got on my phone. That little girl that she got it. Are you serious? I swear my money is serious. Okay, all my checks, I just be clearing it. She saw my niggas, she get delirious. Okay, jump on the jet, so I'm clearing it. Okay, park, but I'm not talking. Okay, smoke that boy just like a cigarette. If that boy try to make up my own, I'm on some more shit. I got a whole nother rich. I'm on a new level. I was fucking on your bitch. She was riding on my dick. She ain't need two levels. Sweetie niggas, they bitches. I swear they all gonna get you. My niggas gon' shoot at them. Niggas, they mad about this. Niggas, they mad about that. But it's
Alright, y'all, so I went ahead and already finished this this half of my head, period. And I'll be back with y'all when I am like almost finished with this side. But y'all, this took me a minute, not gonna lie, but it doesn't look bad for my first time. I actually think I did good, so period. But yeah, I'm gonna go eat something and then I'll be back with this side of my head.
I know that girl, she got swag, but when it comes to putting it together, she could do better. I sent that girl a DM, she ain't answer me, so you know that I gotta shoot two at her. Yeah. Gotta shoot two at her. I see her with the Uzi. Gotta shoot two at her. Go. Aight. Stay with the blue cheddar. That girl, she got with my clone. I told that little girl that she gotta do better. Are you serious? I swear my money is serious. Okay, all my checks, I just be clearing it. She suck my dick, so she get delirious. Okay, jump on the jet, so I'm furious. Okay, walk, but I'm not talking. Okay, smoke that boy just like a cigarette. If that boy try to make a fuck, they try to cut me down. But they say I'm too low. Turn me out. I said turn me on. Can I hear my phone? I ain't never been no fool. Do what I want, I'ma be your fool. I'ma take a dub, I'ma win. I ain't never been no type that low. More like this, I ain't been no study. Everything I got, man, I got it in a hurry. If I love you, better say that you love me. And if I trust you, better say that you trust me. Step out the bag, pull it wild. I'm at the bank on the side of the run. I said I'm on the road, no kicking the style. I'm running through obstacles, I'm in the road. Stop that. Sort of my niggas, just drop that. You first, we gon' pop it.
Thank you guys for watching this video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Hit the subscribe button down below if you are new here. And hit that notification bell because I will be posting every Monday and Friday during quarantine. If you do not want to miss it, period. And yeah, I will see you guys in my next YouTube video.
That girl, she got with my clone. I told that little girl that she gotta do better. Are you serious? I swear my money is serious. Okay, all my checks, I just be clearing it. She suck my dick, she get delirious. Okay, jump on the jet, so I'm furious. Okay, walk, but I'm not talking. Okay, smoke that boy just like a